Hey, happy Friday. It's April 5th in Los Angeles. Here I am on the balcony of my apartment looking out at the skies. There's downtown LA. There's Griffith Park, Hollywood to the left. If my camera was anywhere near good, you'd be able to see the sign. Anyway, I've been looking at the skies and clouds and trying to ask myself, what is going on? What is going on? What's different with the skies than the way it used to be? What's different with the weather? And I came up with a couple of points. I'm going to tell you guys what I noticed this morning, looking from the balcony here and out my windows. First of all, I know you guys can feel it. We did a shift, I guess peace treaty was broken. Abomination has been placed in a couple of ways. I could do a whole other video talking about that. Abominations in the human temple, and maybe the red heifer sacrifice. I don't even know if they did that. But that's a whole different video. Anyway, let me talk about the weather a little bit and what has shifted and what has changed. So I was watching and I was noticing that the clouds these days they come in different shapes. Sometimes they're flat on the bottom. Sometimes they're angled upwards into the sky. Sometimes they seem to be shooting downwards from the sky. But the thing about them is they just sit still. They sit still. They don't sweep across the skies with the winds like they used to. They used to blow in maybe from over the ocean. The ocean is over this way, the beach. The clouds used to blow in from the ocean, and streak across the skies. Now you see one or two pieces in the sky sometimes. Sometimes it's blue skies in the morning. You see one or two angular clouds coming down at an angle, sitting there. Sometimes they're really blackish or dark. Sometimes they're white. Funny shapes. They just sit there. Then after a while, you look back out, maybe 30 minutes, and they're bigger. And then bigger. In a couple of hours, the whole sky could be or half the sky could be overcome with these thick, dark clouds. And then sometimes if you look at them and the directions they're moving, like I said, they're not blowing across the sky in the wind. They're almost forming a circle around the city of Los Angeles, leaving an open space in the middle at first, and then the middle fills in. But it seems to be going around in a circle. And once again, don't judge me. I'm just looking at a microcosm of what's going on. People can look from their weather satellite views and see a much bigger picture, but I'm just talking about what I see from my porch over the city. I see the same patterns in the cloud movement and sometimes the shapes. So I just wonder if maybe one theory, I can't give you the answer to everything, would be that radio frequency waves could be sent out into the atmosphere. Maybe that could be causing a difference in the clouds, making them magnified some kind of way. I don't understand everything, but it could be done through technology or weather modification, perhaps. As part of the end times judgments. Those that have been given power over the earth at this time, have the radio frequency technology. They have satellites all through the skies. I mean, Elon Musk is launching a different one every other week, right? So the technology is there in the heavens, the lower heavens, right? So I don't know. Those are just hypotheses that I'm forming, but it's already different. We've shifted over. So stand your ground in Christ, and I'll talk more as I get more energy. I'm so happy to have Saturday coming up for a Sabbath rest. I need to rejuvenate in the spirit, and I hope you guys will take that time to do that as well. Okay. Bye-bye. Peace and blessings.